In today's video, we're diving into Lusha, a powerful lead generation and contact enrichment platform that sales professionals and recruiters absolutely love. Whether you're a complete beginner or simply curious about how Lusha works, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. The first thing you need to do is visit the official Lusha website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the option in the top corner to log in if you already have an account. However, if you're new to the platform, the better option is to click on the Sign Up button. After clicking it, you'll be taken to the registration page where you simply need to provide the required information. To make the sign-up process faster and easier, Lusha allows you to create an account using your Google account or your Microsoft Office 365 account. It's important to note, though, that signing up, even through Google or Office 365, is still subject to approval. Using these options does not automatically guarantee access. If, for any reason, your request for free trial access is not approved, there's no need to worry. You can always return to the main homepage and explore the platform further.
Lusha provides detailed information under sections like Product, Our Data, Solutions, Resources, and Pricing, allowing you to fully understand what the tool offers before committing.
Now let's talk about the platform itself. Lusha is built around three core areas: discovery, lead streaming, and outreach. One of its most important features is contact and company search. This is Lusha's core functionality, allowing users to find accurate contact information such as verified email addresses, phone numbers, job titles, and company details. Another powerful feature is the browser extension. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, Lusha's extension allows you to access contact details directly from platforms like LinkedIn, Salesforce, or company websites without switching tabs. This makes prospecting far more efficient, especially when you're actively researching leads throughout the day. One of Lusha's standout capabilities is buyer intent. This feature provides insights into which companies are actively researching or showing interest in products or services similar to yours. Along with buyer intent, Lusha also offers signals and alerts. These provide real-time notifications when key events occur, such as job changes, promotions, new decision makers, or major company updates like funding rounds, mergers, hiring trends, or strategic shifts. Moving into the lead streaming side of the platform, Lusha uses AI-driven recommendations to improve prospecting. Lusha's AI analyzes your previous activity, success patterns, and engagement behavior to recommend new leads and companies that align with your ideal customer profile. It works like a smart assistant that constantly suggests your next best prospect. Another useful tool here is the AI Prospect Playlist. This feature automatically generates curated lists of leads based on criteria such as job title, industry, or buyer intent. Instead of manually building lead lists, Lusha creates high-quality prospect batches for you, making targeted outreach faster and more efficient. When it comes to outreach, Lusha offers a built-in engagement solution. Lusha Engage allows you to create and automate multi-channel outreach sequences that include emails, phone calls, and LinkedIn messages. This feature is designed to help you nurture leads consistently and convert them more effectively through structured and automated communication. Within Lusha Engage, there's also a Conversations Hub. This is where you can manage and track all ongoing conversations with leads in one centralized inbox. It ensures timely follow-ups, better visibility into communication history, and more personalized interactions, which are critical for building strong relationships with prospects. Then, Lusha's automated prospecting is a feature designed to help sales and recruiting teams discover, prioritize, and engage with the right prospects automatically without spending hours on manual research. It uses AI and data intelligence to continuously identify new leads that match your ideal customer profile. Lusha also provides transparency around its data through the Our Data section. This explains where Lusha's contact and company data comes from, including public sources, partnerships, and user-contributed data. It also outlines how often the data is verified and updated, and highlights compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. You'll also find details about the types of data available, including emails, direct dials, job titles, and company insights. Under the Solutions section, Lusha breaks things down based on teams and why Lusha. For sales and SDR teams, Lusha helps identify accurate B2B leads, enrich CRM records with verified contact information, and improve outreach efficiency through integrations with platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot. Intent-driven targeting also helps sales teams close deals faster by focusing on high-quality prospects. For revenue operations teams, also known as RevOps, Lusha centralizes go-to-market data and improves pipeline forecasting with enriched real-time insights. It helps align sales, marketing, and customer success teams around a single, reliable data source while enhancing operational efficiency through automation and analytics. For marketers, this section helps build highly targeted B2B audiences for campaigns. Marketers can find verified emails and firmographic details such as company size, industry, location, and job roles, making it easier to segment audiences and personalize outreach. For recruiters, Lusha provides quick access to verified candidate contact information, including work emails and phone numbers. Recruiters can identify and reach out to potential candidates directly from platforms like LinkedIn using the browser extension. Lusha is also well suited for small and medium-sized businesses. It provides scalable lead generation without the need for a large sales team, offering affordability, ease of use, and simple integrations. SMBs can compete with larger organizations by using data-driven outreach strategies supported by Lusha's tools. For enterprise organizations, Lusha offers advanced solutions such as bulk data enrichment, API access, enhanced security, privacy and compliance controls, team collaboration features, and administrative tools. These features allow large organizations to scale their sales and marketing operations globally with confidence. Lusha also highlights its competitive edge by focusing on affordability, simplicity, real-time data accuracy, and ease of use. These strengths make it an attractive alternative to more complex or expensive tools in the market. The platform also features success stories that showcase real-world results. These include customer testimonials, case studies, ROI improvements, growth metrics, and before and after comparisons across different industries, helping potential users understand the value Lusha delivers. In the resources section, Lusha offers several learning and support tools. The Lusha Academy provides educational content such as courses, guides, videos, and best practices for prospecting, outbound sales, and data management. Some users can even earn certifications to improve their skills. There's also a regularly updated blog that covers sales and marketing trends, lead generation strategies, product updates, and data privacy topics. Another highlight is Lusha's webinars, which include live and on-demand sessions, product walkthroughs, feature deep dives, and expert-led discussions that help users stay ahead in modern sales. If you're interested in becoming a Lusha partner, you can apply directly through their partner sign-up form. Once you submit your information, a Lusha sales expert will contact you if your application is approved. When it comes to pricing, Lusha offers flexible plans. You can start with the free plan to explore basic features and functionality. As your needs grow, you can upgrade to the Pro plan or the Premium plan, which starts at $52 per month and includes 5 seats with all credits provided up front. For larger teams or custom requirements, the Scale plan requires direct contact with Lusha's sales team to create a tailored solution based on your business goals and budget. If you want authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing comparisons, or alternatives to Lusha, you can also check trusted software review platforms like Capterra and G2. These platforms provide insights from real users and can help you make an informed decision. And with that, we've reached the end of our walkthrough of Lusha. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking for verified B2B contact information with minimal effort. Its Chrome extension, AI-powered features, and seamless integrations make prospecting faster and more efficient. Just be mindful of your credit usage, especially if you're on the free plan. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.